Oh, hi, how are you? Hello, I am good, thanks. Well, I'm looking for a way to stop coughing. Can you help? Sure, I can help with that. Great, let's start. Have you ever used home remedies to feel better? Yes, I use them a lot. How did you learn about these remedies? It's knowledge passed down through families. Okay, can you explain how to make a remedy for cough? Of course, you just need honey, lemon, and oregano. How do you make this remedy? It's easy in a mug. First, take a spoon of honey. And then squeeze half a lemon. And add a little oregano. And finally, mix it with warm water. And you can drink. Sounds simple. How long should I use it? I would say for about a week if your cough doesn't go away. What will it do for my cough? This remedy can help your throat feel better and reduce coughing. Thanks. Are you there any important thing I need to know? Don't use too much lemon. It can be strong. Thanks for sharing. I hope it helps. You're welcome. I hope it works for you.